Hello everyone. In this video I'll be telling you about how to create a series in an electronic spreadsheet. So first of all, I'll be telling you what is an spreadsheet or what is an electronic spreadsheet. So electronic spreadsheet is a software which is used for what if analysis, forecasting, for doing calculation, for creating charts and etc. It allows us to quickly create, manipulate and analyze our data in an organized tabular form. So as all of you know that a spreadsheet is a sheet of paper which is divided into a number of rows and columns in which data can be entered, manipulated, calculated and analyzed. And when a spreadsheet is prepared and displayed by computer, it is known as electronic spreadsheet. So as you can see on your screen, on the videos you can see. Now this is an example of electronic spreadsheet. Now this is your Microsoft Excel, which is an electronic spreadsheet. You can present your data, you can prepare your data, you can manipulate your data, you can analyze on your data, you can do calculation on your data in your electronic spreadsheet. There are other examples of electronic spreadsheet also, like your Lotus 123, VisiCalc, SuperCalc, your Multiplan, Quattro Pro. These are some of the examples of your spreadsheet applications. Now I'll be working on Microsoft Excel 2007 and I'll be telling you how to generate your own series. As you all know that series is a group of related data. Now there are certain series by default which has been provided to us by the software itself, like for example, whenever we are writing over here Monday and then we write Tuesday, so if I will select and drag it down, automatically it will generate the series of days. Automatically the days will come. Same way if I write over January, February, just drag it down, this click on this plus sign over here, this small block which is known as the fill handle, the small square that you can see over here, this small square. When I will select this cell, this is your fill handle. So what you have to do, select it, click on the fill handle. As soon as your mouse, you place the mouse or click on this fill handle, your mouse cursor will change into a thin plus sign. Just drag it down and then it will display you the series. The cells will be filled with the series values in that particular series. As I've already told you that electronic spreadsheet is the most commonly used general purpose software. So when you open a spreadsheet, you will find a blank sheet, electronic sheet which you call it, and you will find a grid of rows and columns. These are your grid of rows and columns. So there is a lots of application of spreadsheet. You can do calculations, numbers of calculations you can do. You can use functions, formulas can be applied. You can forecast your data, you can analyze your data, you can manipulate your data in a tabular form. So a spreadsheet is just a sheet of paper which is divided into rows and columns, and where you enter the data and you can manipulate, calculate and analyze your data in a number of ways. So coming back to series, so there are numbers of series which are already provided to us, but if you want to generate our own series, that also we can do. So series is just a group of data which are related to each other. Like there are certain series that I have already told you that has been provided to you by default. Like for example, I will just write January over here and then I'll just click on the fill handle over here and just drag it down. Automatically other values which are present in that particular series will automatically come. Monday, just drag it down, or just I will write Sunday also. You can write Sunday, drag it down. All the values in this series will automatically be displayed. if you want to generate a numerical series, for that you have to write the first two values. The first two values will decide what will be the next value. Suppose I have written 2, then 3, then the next value will be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Automatically the other values will come. So you have to select the two values. If you want to select, if you want to create a series, like for example I have a numeric series. If you want to create, suppose I have written 2 over here and 4 over here. Now you can see there is a gap of 2 digits over here. So when I will select these two and I will just drag it down, automatically it will display a gap of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, like this. Suppose I am writing over here 5, next value is 10. So automatically the next value will be 15, 20, 25, 25, right? So if I write 3, then 5, select it, so drag it down. So you have to select both the cells, right? You have to select the two cells in which you have entered the value, the first cell and the second cell. The next values which will come over here, the value that will come here, it will be decided by the first and the second value that you have selected. Since there is a gap of 2, the next number that will be, it will be 7, then a gap of 2, 9, 11, this way. But since these series are already present in the system, so we need not select the first and the second value. We need not select. I will just write the first value of the series and I will just click on it and click on the fill handle. This is your fill handle that I have already told you. Click on it and drag it down. Oh, not this way. The spelling is wrong. M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. Click on it and drag it down. Automatically you will see the other values which are present in the series that will come over here. But if you write a value which is not present in the series, suppose I am writing a value which is not present in the series of the system. So many values, suppose I have written Ravi over here. I will click on it, I will just drag it down, automatically the same name will come. The same name will come over here because this name is not present in the series provided by the system. So now I will be telling you how to generate your own series. Now these were the series which were already present. Now in second sheet I will be telling you how to generate your own series. Now by default when you open Excel, you will find these three sheets, sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. By default you will find 3 sheets. When you will open Excel, you can even change their position. You want sheet 2 over here, sheet 1 at the end, just drag it and place it over here. You just have to drag it and place it over here. If you want to generate new sheets, click on this button, insert worksheet, you will get sheet 4. If you want to delete it, right click, choose the option delete, the sheet will be deleted. Now you have only 3 sheets. You want to delete sheet 3, right click, choose the option delete, the sheet will be deleted. Okay, now coming back to series, if you want to generate your own series, so what you have to do? First of all, you have to write the values present in the series. Suppose I want to write, I have written over here apple, mango, banana, guava, grapes, pineapple, plum. Suppose this is the series that I want to store in the system, and I want that whenever I want to use this at any time I can use this series then once it has been saved in the system. So how do you save a series in a system, or how do you create a series? For that, first you have to select the series, the values in the series. So I have selected these values in the series, then click on this option, office button, click on the office button and then go to the option Excel option. You have to go to the option called Excel option. Again I am telling you the steps. Select the values of the series, click on this office button, click on Excel option. So when you will click on this option, you will find this option over here called edit custom list, right? You will find this in popular, edit custom list. So when you will click on this button called edit custom list, you will find certain list of the series which are already provided to you. So now if you want to generate your own series, so yeah, either you can do import, or since I have selected this, the cell range is already present over here. The cell range of this from here to here. You can see it over here. So these are your the values present within E4 to E10. This will be imported when you will click on the import button. If you want to change the values, you can change the values here also. So whatever is within this cell range, it will be imported, and when you will click on the add button over here, a new list will be generated. Like here the cell range is from E4 to E10. I have written $sign to make this cell fixed, absolute, that I will be telling you in my later videos. E4, if this is your E4, first one is E4 and the cell address of this cell is E10. Now suppose I want to add, I want to change the cell range over here. So you can change the cell range. If I will make it E11, but there is no value inside E11, so it will remain blank. So what I can do, suppose I have written a name of one more fruit, I will write over here orange, right? But suppose I have selected only till grapes. I click over here, choose the option, Excel option, and then let me bring it here. Okay, this. Now you can see the range over here E4 to E8. But suppose I want to make my range, I want to increase it to E11. So you write E11 over here. So when you will click on import, all these values from here to here till E11, this will be imported in your custom list. So I'll click on import. So you can see orange is now coming over here, plum, apple, mango, banana, guava, grapes, pineapple, plum, orange. And I'll click on add, the series or the list will be added in your system. So it's added, click on OK. So let's try this. I'll just write the first value, click on it and just drag it down. So you can see over automatically the range of values, the values which are present in this series or present in the list are being displayed on your screen. I'll create one more and I'll just write over here mango, select it, drag it down. So you can see over here apple, click on it, drag it down. I just have to write any one value which is present in the list and just drag it down. Click on the fill handle and drag it down. Automatically other values which are present in the list of that particular series, it will be generated automatically. So this is one method for creating a series of list. So there is one more method that you can use for creating a series of list. For that you do not need to write the names. For that just click on the office button, click on MS Excel option and then directly click on edit custom lists, click on it, and then you can directly enter the values which you want in the list over here, series of lists over here. So suppose now this time I'll just write the name of the color, red, blue, green, orange, pink, black, maroon, white, yellow. Okay, that's it. Now click on, once you have written all these values, you have to click on add button. So when you click on add button, the list will be added over here in your custom list. Add, so you can see the list, the values has been added. This was the list that we had created earlier. If you want, you can add more values, or you want to delete it, you can delete the list from here also. So once this has been done, click on OK and then OK. So what you have to do, just write the first value and then drag it down. Just write any value which is present in the list. I have written pink, click on it, drag it down. Red, click on it, drag it down. So either you can write in capital letter or you can write in small letter also. The values which are present in the list, they will automatically be displayed. So this was all about how to create your list of series in Microsoft Excel